Good afternoon. My name is Remon Vos from Prague, here with the Q1 2022 results. I am happy to say that the first quarter of this year has been very positive. We have under construction 1,140,000 square meter, 50% pre-leased, and we do that at a 10% yield on cost.
We made a good start to the year, and we are on track and focused on delivering on our plans with disciplined and profitable growth, strong performance in rental growth and in our other key metrics. These show the strength and resilience of our business. To give you the key highlights of our Q1 results, and it's worth noting when making year-on-year comparisons that Deutsche Industrie is included and consolidated from February of this year. In Q1, we achieved like-for-like rental growth of 4.8% year-on-year across our whole portfolio. We've grown our total net rental income to over 107 million euros, an impressive step up of 37%. Our net valuation gain on investment property is lower at 27.5 million euros. This reflects the increase in construction costs to complete our projects under development. But most importantly, we have maintained our market-leading yield on cost at over 10%. Our profit of 60 million euros and our earnings per share of 14 cents are in line with our expectations. Our investment portfolio grew substantially to total over 9.5 billion euros, and our net tangible assets per share have grown by 32% to 12.33 euros at the end of Q1. Our loan to value is in line with our financing strategy at 44%, and we also have a very strong liquidity position with cash of over 1.1 billion euros at the end of Q1 and a committed RCF of another 400 million euros, together giving us great financial strength and flexibility. The cost of our debt is 1.1%, and the average maturity of our debt is over 6 years.
I like to explain the way CTP has been working for the past 24 years, which is actually that CTP have two activities. There is a construction company, a company who actually develops properties on land which CTP owns, and upon completion, the second activity, owning properties, a portfolio of buildings which CTP rent to its tenants. The income producing part of our business, we've seen record high rental income during the first quarter with high occupancy at around 95%, with a WAULT of approximately 6.4 years till lease expiry. CTP built exclusively for its own portfolio. We build for future, we build parks. There are projects where we have been building continuously more than 20 years. During the first quarter of 2022 is the acquisition of Deutsche Industrie. CTP has now feet on the ground in Germany. The portfolio, which consists out of more than 90 properties located throughout Germany, we have been able to identify land where we can build additional property, and we have currently a pipeline of more than 200,000 square meters, which we will start to construct during 2022. We are very happy, as it is challenging to get land for industrial logistic property development throughout Germany. Our plan is to open offices in 3 regions. With that, we will be active in 3 Western European countries, the Netherlands, Germany, and Austria. We have 7 other markets. 4 of them are the core markets, or where CTP started: Czech Republic, Slovakia, Hungary, and Romania. And we see this region of Europe as our home market. We have been able to grow market share, and we continue to see strong demand from our clients. The remaining 3 markets we call growth markets. Most importantly, Poland, the largest economy in Central Europe. Which brings me to ESG which we have been doing before they called it ESG. As I explained, long-term, nothing short. We do not develop to trade, we develop to hold, and that does make a lot of difference. A local community we are part of, where we invest for the future with different education programs in our clubhouses. The solar rooftop plants which we have installed performed better than expected. Many of our clients like more warehouse space so they can store more product because they are afraid that maybe supply get interrupted. What we see is nearshoring. The region of Central Europe is not about cheap, it's much more about reliability and about motivated workforce together with infrastructure, which we believe also long-term is the best location for companies to manufacture for the European market. Because of that, we do believe that there will be possibilities for us to acquire properties at terms which were different than they were 3 months ago. CTP also work on a 2026 business plan for the next 5 years, which obviously takes into account various different scenarios. Also believe going forward that our develop to hold strategy may be better than other models.
And we are confident in our core strengths and confident in our business model. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to your question.